Welcome to the brand new episode of Auto Tech Talk, and I'm your new host, Mulimo Moroke. And in this episode, we'll be reviewing the Hummer EV pickup truck and its SUV. Quite amazing with this vehicle because it has been practically dead in the market, and now it's coming back. It has now been reimagined. They're going the EV route, and quite amazing. So let's just do less of the talk and more of the drive. It is without a shadow of a doubt that GMC has built pioneering icons. They have redefined what an off-road capable car is. Instead of making what an off-road vehicle is, they made it what it should be. The Hummer is defined solely by its exterior design, all muscular. The 35-inch wheels enable it to walk on any terrain without any compromise in comfort. Customers can also opt for 37-inch tires though if they feel that the 35-inch tires will not fulfill their needs. One of the key signature designs is the 6-bar grille, each representing each letter of the vehicle identity name. Getting to engine performance specs, the pickup truck can do 1000 horsepower with 3 models with all-wheel drive as standard. The pickup truck can do 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3 seconds with launch control. Torque of the pickup is said to be 11,500 pound-feet. During the pickup truck exhibition, it was said that it will have towing capacity of 7,500 pounds, which is less than its rivals, the Raven R1T and the F-150 Lightning, which have towing capacities of 10,000 pounds and 11,000 pounds respectively. The Hummer EV uses a GMC's new Ultium battery pack technology that is said to provide a drive mile range of 329, as well as provide 100 miles of charge in just 10 minutes. It's equivalent to putting fuel in your car and grabbing a snack bar. For buyers that don't have fast DC charging stations, they have an alternative of charging at regular public charging terminals or at home via a provided adapter, which will be relatively slow. A great exciting pioneering feature which I've never seen in the history of automobility, which is one of GMC's selling points I bet, is the crab walk. This technology enables your car to move diagonally, thus swiftly maneuvering in tight spaces. To enhance the ride experience, GMC offers an optional feature of transparent sky panels on all models except for the first edition model. On the first edition model, it comes as standard. Transparent panels are removable, giving you a cabriolet driving feel, or as if one is traveling on a beach in a hot summer. During off-roading, the driver can engage the suspension lift mechanism to raise the car 6 inches higher. The flatbed of the pickup measures 5 feet. The interior is looking clean, ergonomically friendly with great contrasting textures. The 12.3-inch cluster is a digital which embraces modernity. From the 13.4-inch infotainment display, you can observe the underbody of the car via the built-in underbody cameras, very useful during off-roading. GMC has contracted Epic Games to develop the graphics for their infotainment system, though many gave an impression on the latency of the software function. For connectivity, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, Wi-Fi hotspot, and GMC's OnStar telematics system come as standard. Safety features include automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, lane departure assist and lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, semi-autonomous driving which enables hands-free steering wheel and lane change on compatible roads. The SUV has a mileage range of at least 300 miles, which is 15 miles less than the pickup. It does 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds, which is 0.5 seconds slower than the pickup. The SUV is also engineered to the max, engineered to be robust and endure all terrains. So price of the pickup start from $86,645, and finally the first edition with a price tag of $110,295. Thanks for watching, and please stay tuned on Auto Tech Talk. Subscribe so that you do not miss out on anything, and because there's more and more and more and more coming your way. See you in the next video. Cheers.